I'm Kimberly Bartlett. I'm an out lesbian, I'm married, and I'm a lighting engineer. I do lighting and electrical design, and I work for WSP Parsons Brinckerhoff, which is a multinational, multidiscipline engineering company. I actually didn't study at university, I studied at college. I actually took a strange route. I jumped into lighting, which is kind of what we do. Nobody ever grows up wanting to be a lighting engineer. We always drop in from somewhere else. So I went to work, I discovered that I loved it, and I decided to go further and go to college. We learnt lighting design, electrical design, and power design. Well, since college, it hasn't really changed. I've had a fantastic time. I've always found good friends, and I've always been comfortable in who I am. I've not always been out, I have to admit. It's a strange situation. I like to make sure that people know me before they can judge me. So I make my friends, I introduce myself, I go into the professional institutions, do what I need to do, and then I introduce myself as a lesbian, having a wife, having 5 cats, experiencing life to the fullest as I am in my true situation. I've never had a problem. I've always been supported by all of my work people, all of my managers, colleagues, people below me. Never had a problem. The most positive experience is knowing I can be myself. I know it's strange, it's not an experience, it's a feeling, but it's a feeling you get deep down. It's knowing that it doesn't matter who you are, what you are. You've got your friends, you've got your colleagues, they respect you, and it doesn't matter who you are. You know, it doesn't matter where you're from, where you were born, who your parents are, whether your parents are still together, whether you're gay, lesbian, straight, whether you're an ally or even whether you're transgender, it doesn't matter. There's always somebody who's there for you, and that really does it for me. That makes me so happy to be an engineer. I've never felt it anywhere else. It is changing. I have noticed a significant change in the 10 years I've been in the industry. From day one to nobody knows, nobody cares, a little bit strange, to today where people are happy and confident and comfortable being out in engineering. Advice? Do it. Do it. You will love it. If you're creative, if you're comfortable in yourself, if you love logic, if you love problem solving, do it. I guarantee you it's the best thing you can ever do. You will go home more or less every day thinking, I did that. I did a good thing. I made something today. It doesn't matter whether it's on paper or bricks and mortar. I made it. And at the end, when it's all finished, you can go down that street, you can see that building, you can see that installation and say, that was mine. And it doesn't matter, really, who you are before or after. All the way through, it's been you from the inside creating that wonderful piece of equipment, art, building, situation, hospital, anything. Just do it. My advice to lesbian women looking to go into engineering is to be yourself. Be forefront right from the beginning. Know who you are and know what you can do, because what you give is your legacy. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter that you were gay. What matters is that you can do a wonderful thing with what you've got. I think that there's a lot going on in the profession now. We're getting a lot more diversity, we're getting a lot more women, I wouldn't say a lot more, but more LGBT people. So I think there's a chance that we could actually do something really good. We can move forward, become more integrated, more diverse, and with that diversity we will create some wonderful things. At the end of the day, engineering is about problem solving, and if you don't have somebody from every aspect of life, how can you solve all those problems? I think soon we are going to be a force to be reckoned with. Look out for the UK engineering sector, because there's going to be lots of very strong, very creative women coming up.